How to request packaging and printing with your pickup services. When you have items to ship, with no way to package them, turn to the Kaebox app to come through for you. Open the Kaebox app to create your instant shipping order. Click to add your shipping address and recipient address. Please fill out all the required fields to ensure your shipping label is not missing any information. Be sure to review the information you enter to verify everything is correct. Check off the packaging services, label printing, and the pickup and drop-off options to enjoy the full range of Kaebox services. Kaebox couriers can print your label on the spot for only 50 cents. Please select what type of shipment you wish to send. Provide accurate measurements for the item's length, width, and height. Be sure to weigh the object to guarantee seamless transportation down the supply chain. The Kaebox app will analyze your measurements to determine which parcel bag best matches your shipment. Confirm your packaging selection and review our prohibited items list before you continue. Now you can choose to add shipping insurance provided by a third party, and be sure to choose your delivery preferences and provide package indications here. Let us know if your shipment contains any fragile items or liquid. Select your shipping rate from our list of discounted prices and be sure to take a picture of your item so your courier can correctly identify it upon pickup. Make your final review and continue through the checkout process. Click to view your cost review to ensure your order contains everything you need. Confirm your shipment and submit your payment. Now your shipment is almost ready. One of our couriers will come to you with everything you need to prepare your package. Download Kaebox from the App Store and Google Play Store.